Welcome to our experimental aquaculture facility. What you are seeing right now is the very beginning of an ambitious scientific project. This video documents the first stage, the equipment installation. Our main goal is a direct comparison between two modern production systems. On one side, we are setting up biofloc technology, which relies on microbial aggregates to maintain water quality. On the other side, a recirculating aquaculture system, or RAS, utilizing mechanical and biological filtration. Although the tanks look identical now, they will operate on completely different principles. We will be stocking them with African catfish, tilapia, and carp to determine which system is more efficient and sustainable. This is just step one. Subscribe to follow our progress. In the upcoming videos, we will show the system startup and the fish stocking process.